welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we assemble our new umbrella from Abba Patio. I hope you guys enjoy. Setup is going to change, and I'm not going to be using lemons anymore. You guys are going to see what I'll be doing next. The gazebo off, and now he's going to put the umbrella, and this is how it looks. It's pretty heavy. Yep, you see it's red, babe.
Ready?
Yeah, ready. Voila! Wow, that looks really pretty.
This one area is messed. It's in the way. That's it.
It also comes with a funnel so that you can fill it up with sand. Those black containers. I'm not sure where we're getting this at. Maybe Home Depot probably. My husband's loving the patio umbrella so far. He said he likes it better than the one we had. We have to see how big it is. It said 10 by 10. So we'll see how it goes. It also comes with a cover for the umbrella so the color doesn't fade away. Evan is excited about this umbrella because it's not going to take a bunch of space. We're going to place the base right here, and Leo's going to have more room to run around. So I think it's a good thing that we got this style. Leo is awake. Hey, mi amor. He's like, what is going on? Here we have the stairs that I've used to remove the other side of the... I am going to go look for matching pillows for that umbrella, and it's going to be a whole different vibe out here than what it was before.
Here, Gigi wants to be out here too. Come here, though. You want to help me with these?
Hi, Athena.
Watch out.
I don't mind a little mess, just wanna stay with you, and we'll do anything that we want today. Won't be scared of falling down no more. So take me away.
Good job, mi amor. Put it on.
You got it? Put these like these. Oh, like that, boy. Can you get this? You got the shovel? You go get the shovel.
As you can see right here on the video, the umbrella was tilting a little bit forward because we did not fill up the black containers all the way. So Evan and Leo went back and make sure that they were all filled up with sand. Hi, Athena. Oh, nice earrings. Alright, so we just went to Burlington, Evan and I, and we got these pillows. The pair was $19.99. And I'm going to be placing them one on each chair so that you guys can see. I wanted to get a pumpkin pillow, but at the same time I didn't want to because I want this to be for the holidays. And I know Christmas is around the corner and all that stuff. I mean, not really, but it's almost Christmas, 3 more months. So I figured it will be perfect if I just get red. That way I can use it not just for fall, but also for Christmas because I'm planning on decorating with red colors again, just because I have a lot of things from last year. So I'm really happy that Evan and I found them, and I think they match perfectly with the umbrella. And I can't wait to show you guys the final look. Alright, I gotta go feed Athena, and I'll be back to finish this up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy putting together this umbrella and remodeling our whole little vibes that we had before. And as you can see, we have the lights on the fences because when they used to be up here, it worked for the other thing that we had for the other canopy, I want to say, or gazebo, whatever it's called. It did work for that, but for this umbrella it just didn't work. And once again, thank you so much to Abba Patio for partnering up with me, and I'm excited with this umbrella, and I'd like to have more breakfasts and also dinners out here in my patio. I almost forgot to show you guys this patio cover and also storage bag. I'm gonna put everything in the bags so that you can see how much it fits. Thank you so much to Abba Patio for sending me this beautiful umbrella and also these two pieces that I showed you guys on a previous video. I'm gonna leave everything down below in the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing whether the cover or the storage bag or the umbrella. I believe there is a 20% discount code that I'll have on the description as well. And I'll also link my patio for those of you who are interested. Okay, but before we go, I have to show you how it works. Alright, let me open this up and show you. Ooh, they also have gazebos. They are stunning. I'm just gonna flip through the catalog so that you guys can kind of see what they also have, and it's not just umbrellas. Really pretty. I know we're already going into fall, but here in San Diego, we never really get any like super cold weather. And for me, this is definitely gonna work out. I did see this right here and I thought it was really pretty and different. I liked it a lot. And they also have garden furniture for the patio and the cover. This is what I'm going to show you what I got right here for this set. And also there's a storage bag right there. I have to say I'm impressed that the packaging is really pretty. Everything is very organized, and I love that the boxes say Abba Patio. That's a really nice detail, and it comes with the catalog. And you can also find it on Amazon if you type in Abba Patio, but I'm also going to attach the links in the description box for those of you who are interested in checking the items out and the prices for what I'm showing on this video. This is the storage bag that I'm going to be using for all my cushions, and I think it's a pretty good size. I think everything's going to fit. I'm going to pick everything up so that you guys can see it, and then I'll show you how the cover looks once I'm done with the cushions. Okay, so I got all the cushions from the chairs, and I'm gonna get the pillows and put them on the other side. I wasn't able to fit those cushions and pillows in the bag, but I did get everything from here, and everything's in here. So I will need probably another one, or maybe if I tuck them in a little bit tighter, maybe if my husband can help me, everything will be able to fit. I think I can make it fit. Okay, there you have it. That's all the cushions from the dining set. Now that we have all that there, let me show you how the cover is gonna look when it's raining season, when it starts getting a little colder and we do not use the patio. This is definitely gonna come in handy, and it's gonna protect it. We live in California, so we do not get much rain, but I still want to protect it from the sun, so I figured it would be a great idea to get the cover, and now I'm going to show you how it's going to look. Ooh, I'm so excited that I have a cover. Ooh, it is pretty long, and this is how it looks like right now. Let me cover everything up so that you can get a better idea. And this is how it looks like once the cover is on. Right here, there's a part where you can adjust it and make it tighter. And as you can see, that string is a little elastic so that it's not so poofy. You just make it tighter, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm really excited. I do have to get one for them too, and I think a little storage bag as well. So I'm still pending with those. But I'm so happy I got this. So thank you so much to Abba Patio for sending these goodies. And I will have everything listed in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about the new umbrella? Do you like it better during the day, or do you like it better at night? I personally love the umbrella and the whole vibe out here at night, just because of the lights that the umbrella comes with. I'm going to be saving the boxes so that when I'm not using the cover, I can store it there. Right now, I'm gonna take this off because I am still enjoying my patio, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this whole area now? Do you like it better with this umbrella? What are your thoughts? And also, they do carry this umbrella in beige, so it's not only red, they also have beige. I'll link both of them down below if you guys are interested. For a second, I thought it was gonna be too small, but I'm so glad that it's really big. One thing I almost forgot to mention is that the umbrella has a switch, and I'm going to show it to you guys so that you know where it's at. It's actually back here. Okay, so here's the switch where you turn on the lights and turn them off. I'll show you. On. Ooh, pretty cool, huh? Alright, you guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below, how do you like the new setup? And what do you think of the umbrella? My favorite part has to be the lights. It gives it a really nice touch, and it's just really cute. So that is it.